check this out. We are, what's the date today? September 20th. Last rose from our garden. Perfect rose. Can you see it? Black background. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You know, for years I would give my mother a rose bush. Like a rose bush that we planted in the backyard for years. Like between like whatever. 18 and 24. So we still have all these rose bushes in the backyard that I gave her years ago. So I don't know how old this one is, but looks nice right now. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. All right, big news. I have been extremely delinquent with this channel, with this YouTube channel, but sort of for good reason. I have another YouTube channel that I've been grinding away on for the last few months, but you kind of lose your mojo after a while. But since this is largely video, imagery-based channel, and since I went out a day or two ago and picked up a new camera, I thought it was a good opportunity to reacquaint myself. So, I'm a big fan of action cameras, and I always kind of like using quirky, weird cameras. So the Source is going out of business in Canada. I don't know what's going on. All I know is I got on the website at one point this week and I saw that they had a GoPro Hero 11 Mini for $150 Canadian. I like GoPro, never owned one myself, but I've had a friend, my friend had one and I basically just stole it from her. So time for me to grow up, get my own. This one's kind of limited, but GoPros do amazing things. Ta-da! What I'm actually amazed most by the GoPros is just the time-lapse quality. The time lapses are from a guy who used to do time lapses in 2006. Take each individual frame and you know, bring the exposure up on this one, down on this one, down on this one, up on this one, frame by frame for 1,000 frames. What these things can do automatically now is just insane. Anyways, I got a GoPro, so this is what my last year or so of skiing videos was shot on a GoPro. So I finally have one of my own. It's an incredible little machine. This is a GoPro Mini. Brand new, $150, so you can't lose at that price. Even though it's limited kind of thing, it's going to be fun. Anyways, these things we'll do a time lapse. We'll insert it at some point in this video so you can see how cool they are. What do you get with it? You get the camera. You get some clips. Cable? What the hell was in here? Maybe the cable? I don't know. And what else do you get? Instruction book, stickers. All right, it will be a fun winter. This winter we got season passes for Tremblant, we got season passes for Camp Fortune. It's going to be a big winter before the snow never flies again here in Canada. Global warming's kicking in, and no, it's not just called summertime, folks. Dipshits. We're fucking up the planet. Now, what else is going on? Let's quickly catch up. Last year, busy AF. This year, getting back into making videos. What could it be? Honored to recognize Daniel Nuttall for 100 donations. Built a studio, music studio, recording music. Maybe I'll do a little music studio tour. Insert a music studio tour here to see what things look like at this point. 2 years ago, November 2022, I cleaned out the basement, wall to wall, floor to ceiling, everything gone, rebuilding it. This is what it looks like now. Insert here. Here we are down in the bowels. This is the basement, a little portion of the basement. But it's not a basement, it's Good Vibe Studio. And there is Mr. EVH, the GOAT, greatest of all time. Over here, little drum set, little digital drum set, some keyboards, and all the amps, all these amplifiers and stuff. Mostly I picked up for 50 bucks or less last year. I got a second digital drum set here. Paid $500 for the two of them, so I'll find a use for them. Over here is all my music stuff stored in little easy to find containers. There's all my old CDs in those green buckets. Bags, lighting, tripod stuff. Lighting, old photos, video stuff. This is where I do my recording every week. I will link up my other YouTube channel below. Got the video lights there. We can go around. This is what I see when I'm recording my videos for the most part. And that's that. Some black curtain to keep the laundry room out of view. Some of my favorite things. That's the studio. And all the lighting I picked up last year, all the amplifiers, all that stuff got just super cheap last year. I think the post-COVID bump where people were buying stuff and unloading it really cheap worked out for me because I was able to put that music studio together. I'm pretty proud of it. And what else is going on? Not too much. Hopefully this is the start of me getting my ass back in gear and posting some more stuff here. Anyways, new GoPro. I love cameras. I love quirky, weird cameras. Limitations are the artist's best friend. So we'll see what I can do with this. But I love the smaller form factor, keep it in my pocket. And I don't have much else to say. Sorry, folks. I have to remember how to do these things. All right. Talk to you later.